Hello little friends. Today we are learn about parts of body. Are you ready? Let's start. First is head. H-E-A-D. Head. Touch your head. Second is hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Grab your hair. Third is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Touch your ears. Fourth is eye. E-Y-E. Eye. Touch your eye. Fifth is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Touch your nose. Next is mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Open your mouth. Next is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Brush your teeth. Next is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Stick your tongue. Next is neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Bend your neck. Next is shoulders. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Shoulders. Shake your shoulders. Next is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Touch your stomach. Next is hand. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. X your hands. Next is legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Touch your legs. Next is feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Touch your feet. Next is toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Touch your toes. Next is forehead. F-O-R. Or H-E-A-D. Head. Forehead. Touch your forehead. Next is chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Touch your chin. Next is eyebrow. E-Y-E. I-B-R-O-W. Eyebrow. Touch your eyebrow. Lift up your eyebrow. Next is chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Touch your chest. Next is arm. A-R-M. Arm. Shake your arm. Next is knees. K-N-E-E-S. Knees. Touch your knees. Next is cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S. Cheeks. Touch your cheeks. Next is finger. Fingers. Fingers. Wiggle your fingers. So kids, today we are learned mouth, ear, tongue, hand, legs, eye, nose, and feet.